In this video, we review Quantower vs NinjaTrader. Have you used Quantower or NinjaTrader before? What was your experience? Leave your Quantower or NinjaTrader review in the comments section below. Choosing between Quantower and NinjaTrader largely depends on the trader's needs for customization, market analysis tools, and user experience. Quantower stands out for its exceptional adaptability and focus on cryptocurrency and market depth analysis, while NinjaTrader excels with comprehensive technical indicators, particularly in futures trading. Quantower's interface is highly customizable, making it an ideal choice for traders who prioritize flexibility. It allows users to tailor their dashboard and tools to their specific trading strategies, a feature that appeals to both novice and advanced traders. Quantower is particularly strong in volume analysis and offers detailed insights into market depth, which gives traders an edge in understanding market sentiment and positioning. For cryptocurrency traders, Quantower offers powerful tools designed to track price action and volume data across crypto exchanges, which provides them with a competitive advantage in this volatile market. Its support for collaborative trading and responsive customer service further enhances the user experience, as traders can seek support or collaborate with others, streamlining the trading process. NinjaTrader, on the other hand, is especially valued for its robust technical analysis tools. These tools cater to traders who require in-depth analysis to develop and refine complex strategies, particularly within the futures market. NinjaTrader provides an array of technical indicators, market profile tools, and real-time data execution, allowing traders to swiftly adapt to market conditions. This focus on technical depth benefits those who are focused on immediate data analysis and quick decision-making, crucial for the fast-paced nature of Forex and futures trading. Additionally, NinjaTrader's real-time analytics and execution speed ensure that traders have accurate, up-to-date data, which is essential in markets where timing is critical. Quantower also wins on the user experience front. Its ease of customization provides traders with more control over their interface, which enhances engagement and personal strategy alignment. In contrast, NinjaTrader's customization is somewhat limited, focusing more on standard layouts that favor technical analysis, which may not appeal to all trading styles. Despite this, NinjaTrader's straightforward design simplifies the trading process for users focused specifically on technical tools and can be particularly advantageous for new users, thanks to its simulation options for futures trading without the need for real capital. Both platforms come with unique pricing structures. Quantower typically requires a subscription for certain advanced features, while NinjaTrader offers a flexible pricing model with a free plan that includes basic functionality but incurs per-trade fees. For regular users, NinjaTrader's monthly or lifetime plans reduce trade costs, although the one-time lifetime fee of $1,499 may be steep for some. NinjaTrader's pricing can be attractive for heavy traders in futures, as it reduces per-trade costs with higher plan levels, making it a more economical choice for high-frequency trading. In summary, Quantower is best suited for traders looking for a customizable, adaptable trading environment with a focus on cryptocurrencies and market depth analysis. NinjaTrader, however, is ideal for traders who need advanced technical indicators and real-time responsiveness in futures trading. The choice hinges on the trader's specific goals. Quantower for those valuing flexibility in crypto tools, and NinjaTrader for those requiring powerful technical analysis in futures and Forex markets. Both platforms are robust, but understanding these nuanced differences is key to selecting the one that aligns with the trader's individual needs and trading style.